Please subscribe and like my channel before watching the video. Please subscribe and like my channel before watching the video. How to make slime. 1 cup of white school glue. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half cup of water. 1 to 2 drops of food coloring, optional 2 to 3 tablespoons of contact lens solution. Supplies: mixing bowl, measuring cups and spoons, spoon or spatula for stirring. Steps: pour 1 cup of white school glue into a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the glue and stir it in thoroughly. Add half cup of water to the mixing bowl and continue stirring until it is well mixed with the glue and baking soda. If desired, add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring to the mixture and stir until the color is evenly distributed. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of contact lens solution to the mixture and stir it together until the slime starts to form and becomes sticky. Keep stirring until the slime comes together in a ball and is no longer sticky. If the slime is still too sticky, add a little more contact lens solution, a few drops at a time, until you get the desired consistency. Knead the slime with your hands until it is smooth and stretchy. Your slime is now ready to play with. Store it in an airtight container to keep it from drying out. Tips: use white school glue for the best consistency. Always add the contact lens solution slowly to prevent the slime from becoming too hard. If you don't have contact lens solution, you can substitute it with liquid starch or borax solution. To make the slime stretchier, add more water to the mixture. To make the slime firmer, add less water to the mixture. You can also add glitter or other small objects like beads to the slime for added fun.